So we have this core plank, and I've already filled it with urethane for the sidewalls for the core shape, and you can see the insert holes are there, right? So we're going to take this piece, we're going to put it this side down on the CNC machine. So the core is loaded in the CNC and taped up. Shout out to 3M for their awesome tape. Anyway, and we have a 1-inch bit. So here we go, firing it up. It's gonna get pretty loud in here. Start the CNC. Away we go. So the 1-inch bit's just gonna go back and forth and take off a little bit at a time. What we're doing here is cutting from the top down, and it's giving it its thickness profile. So it's cutting farther down on the ends and not as much in the middle, because it's thicker in the middle. So here we are on the third and final lap, and it's taking it down from about 6 millimeters in the middle to about 2 millimeters here, thick. So on the end you can see it's pretty thin, right? Here, check it out. Once again, sorry for all the excess tape. 3M, if you're listening, give me a shout. I need a sponsor bad. And that's it. The thicknessing is done. Here we go, finished product. It's thicker in the middle, and you can see it's thinner on the end. Right? There we go. See the finished core here, and I've got a small stack of cores that are all done, waiting for inserts. That'll be the next video.